Thank you. Thank you. All right. Okay. So good. Here, as you can see in your screen, paano kumita sa subscription. Mamaya malalaman nyo kung bakit subscription and how Live Good differs as compared to other companies out there. Okay? Before anything else, let me introduce myself para dun sa mga bagong kasama natin dito, sa mga guests natin dito. I'm Mon Reyes. I'm one of the Live Good business coach. I'm a registered nurse and a real estate broker by profession. Okay, napagdaanan ko na po lahat. Naging employee ako. As an employee, alam nyo naman yan, 12 hours or more, wala ka sa bahay. Kasi 2 hours in travel time going to your office. You work for 8 hours and then another 2 hours going home. Diba? Bakit mo ginagawa yan? Okay lang eh, gawin mo yan. Araw-araw mong ginagawa yan. Bakit? Kasi may inaasahan kang sweldo every 15th and 30th of the month. However, marirealize mo na yung sweldong yan, hindi yan ang magpapatupad sa pangarap mo. And when I realized that, I became an OFW naman. Yes po, nag-OFW ang inyong lingkod for 4 years. 4 years akong nag-a-abroad, okay? As an OFW, mangungulila ka naman sa family mo. Kasi 11 months akong wala sa Pilipinas noon. Tapos yung 1 month na vacation po, puro pagdodokumento pa inaatupag ko. So talagang miss na miss ko yung anak, yung pamilya ko. And that's the reason why I retired from OFW after 4 years. Kasi nakita ko yung anak ko lumalaki, hindi ako kasama. Okay, so after that, I became an entrepreneur naman. Pinasok po natin yung small businesses na yan. Maganda po ang kitaan sa mga negosyo. However, totoo yung sinabi nila, pag negosyante ka, hawak mo oras mo. But that also means pwede kang magtrabaho anytime. In fact, as a business person, talagang nagde-deliver ako ng mga products ko at 1 in the morning, 2 in the morning sa aking mga kliyente kasi kailangan na nila. Okay, maganda nga kita ang nagsasuffer naman yung health mo. Alright? So, doing all of this, ang napansin ko lang, yes, kikita ka, kayang bumuhay ng pamilya, pero hindi kayang tuparin yung mga pangarap mo. Kaya ang daming Pilipino talagang pinapababa o talagang kinakalimutan na yung pangarap nila, di ba? But this time, pwede natin buhayin yung mga pangarap natin. In fact, pwede tayong mangarap ng talagang mas malaking mga pangarap kasi ito na si Live Good. Live Good will be the answer to all your struggles, and Live Good, yan ang tutupad sa mga pangarap nyo. Alright? And so, right now, I'm a full-time affiliate, coach, and mentor of Live Good. Wala na po akong ginagawa. Ito na lang pong ginagawa ko. Ginagawa ko yung negosyo at tumutulong ako sa ibang tao para mag-succeed dito sa Live Good. Alright? So that's my story. But this presentation is not about me. This presentation is about you. Diba? Kasi baka ito ka eh. You can be a single mom. Hindi na magkasya yung kinikita mo para sa pang-araw-araw na gastos mo. Ang worry mo naman, paano mo pag-aaralin yung anak mo? Diba? Single parents, talagang I salute you, I honor you. Hang in there, eto na po, may solusyon na tayo para sa mga problema nyo. Or you can be an OFW like me before, nangungulila ka naman sa family mo. Grabe yung eksena dyan sa airport pag may umaalis na OFW, di ba? I know you can relate to me. If you're an OFW, you can definitely relate to me. And I honor you so much kasi talagang mahirap po mag-OFW. Nakakapangulila sa pamilya. Alright? Or pwede naman nagsisimula ka pa lang ng karir mo and then you've realized that you're overworked, underpaid. Diba? Hindi kayang bumuhay ng pamilya yung sinesweldo mo. Eh bata ka, gusto mo may significance ka. Pamilya nga hindi kayang buhayin, significance pa. Diba? So kinakalimutan mo na yung brighter future mo. If you're looking for brighter future, then Live Good is for you. Alright? Or pwede rin naman, you're of age already. Near retiring or retired na. Ang kinakakaba mo naman kasi wala ka ng kita. Saan ka kukuha ng panggastos mo? Aasa ka ba sa anak mo? Aasa ka sa gobyerno? Or worse, baka umasa ka sa charity. Wag naman sana. Well, wag na. Kasi eto na si Live Good. Do Live Good and your life will completely change. Nakita niyo yung mga picture na yan, di ba? Mga miserable. If you do Live Good, ganito magiging itsura nyo. You'll be very happy playing with your kid. You'll be happy with your family. You would be a happy young career woman and doing your whatever you love to do best. Kasi you know that income is coming in. And as a retired person, you'll be living the life you deserve. Alright? Why? Because Live Good offers something that others cannot offer. Lahat kasi nung binanggit ko, puro active income yan eh. What Live Good offers us is passive income for life. Let me give you an idea what passive income is. Passive income is an income you generate with minimal or no participation in the business at all. Kahit halos wala kang ginagawa sa negosyo mo, pasok ng pasok yung kita sa'yo. But mind you, you have to build this. And you have to have a vehicle to use para makamit mo tong passive income na to. Kasi itong passive income na to, itong magbibigay sa'yo ng time freedom, itong magbibigay sa'yo ng financial freedom. Alright? Now, baka sabihin nyo, well, all companies offer that. All companies is saying that, Mon. Anong difference ni Live Good? What makes Live Good different? Well, I'll tell you now. Unang-una sa Live Good, wala tayong overpriced products. Okay, traditionally kasi ang ginagawa ng mga companies, yung presyo nila, talagang ginajack up nila 10 times, 12 times yung presyo. Bakit? Kasi doon kinukuha yung pambayad sa mga expenses nila, pangsweldo doon sa mga top earners nila. Well, dito sa Live Good, bawal po ang salitang mahal or expensive. Okay? All our products are almost manufacturing price. Dinagdagan lang ng konti kasi syempre may expenses pa rin eh. Pero makikita nyo mamaya, magbibigay ako ng price comparison, ang layo po ng presyo natin. However, mind you, hindi natin sinacrifice yung quality. Kasi yung iba iniisip, pag mababa presyo, pangit ang quality. Hindi po sa Live Good. Because Live Good, the quality of our products is far better than other in the market, yet our price is much lower. Okay, dito po, no huge cash out to join. Kasi sa ibang company, hinuhuli nila to eh. Bago nila sabihin kung magkano to join, talagang i-hype ka muna, talagang i-excite ka muna. And then when talagang excited ka na, gustong-gusto mo na mag-join, tsaka nila sasabihin, o to join, you need 18,000 or 60,000 or even 100,000. Diba? Nakakadismaya. Kaya ang hirap din i-share sa ibang tao. Dito ngayon pa lang, simula pa lang ng presentation, sasabihin ko na sa inyo, to join Live Good, you only need $49.95. Magkano po yun? Wala pa pong 3,000 yan. And ang maganda nito, yung $40 dyan, one-time affiliate member fee lang yan. Okay, meaning the following month, hindi mo na kailangan bayaran yan. You only need to pay $9.95 kasi dito nga, no huge monthly auto ship requirement. All you need to pay is $9.95 monthly subscription. Magkano yan in peso? 580 pesos. Makatipid ka nga ng 20 pesos isang araw. Sold ka na eh. Covered na yung subscription mo for the month. Actually, may sukli ka pang 20. Di ba? Okay? No rank ups based on volume. Kasi sa iba ganun eh. Since they're earning package, product-centered sila eh. They need their products to be moved. So what do? Talagang pinapabili nila yung mga distributors ng mga products nila forcefully. Okay? Pati yung pag-rank up ng mga distributors nila, binibase nila dun sa volume ng mga products na nabebenta. Dito, hindi po nangyayari yan. In fact, dito sa daling mag-rank up, 36% rank up on their first week. Hindi po nangyayari sa ibang company yan. Sa ibang company, it takes them months before they can even rank up. Dito po, first week pa lang, 30% ng new affiliates nagra-rank up na. So if you're not yet an affiliate, expect nyo na po to. On your first week, kayang-kaya nyo po mag-rank up. Dito, since we're not obliged to buy products, there would be no selling and no quota anymore. In fact, you can only buy what you just buy when you want to buy and whatever products you want to buy. Wala po tayong pilitan dito. At kayang-kaya pong gawin ni Live Good yan. Dito, no back to zero. Ano yung back to zero? Yan yung kinakatakutan ng ibang distributors sa ibang company. Kasi alam nila, pag nagpalit yung buwan, lahat ng pinagpagura nila para sa buwan na yon, mawawala. And they have to start from scratch to be able to earn. Dito, you get paid for all your effort. Alright? Kaya nga po dito sa LiveGood, ang dami pong nagtitiwala. In fact, in our existence of only 11 months, we now have over 850,000 paid members. Paid members po yan. Yan yung mga talagang nagbabayad ng mga subscription nila, $9.95, tsaka yung mga sumali as affiliate. They all paid $49.95. Ganun po kalaki yung pagtitiwala nila sa LiveGood. Even though LiveGood is less than a year old, ganyan na po tayo kalaki. Talagang exponential yung growth na nangyari sa LiveGood. Okay? So, the reason why we're experiencing this is because we're revolutionizing the industry. Nakita nyo naman po, lahat ng pahirap ng ibang company na binibigay sa kanilang mga distributors, tinanggal na po sa LiveGood. Kaya dito po sa LiveGood, yung pagninegosyo nyo, yung paggawa nyo ng negosyo, ginawa na pong very simple. Okay? So, are you ready for a revolution? Okay, now I just want you to watch this video by our CEO, Ben Glinsky, kasi siya yung talagang in authority to explain what LiveGood is, how LiveGood differs, and why you should join LiveGood. Okay, so let's watch this.
Hi, this is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of LiveGood. Over the past 20 years, we've launched and run some of the most successful products and companies in the entire network marketing industry. We've helped hundreds of thousands of people all over the world generate extra income from home, paid out close to $1 billion in commissions, and have been featured all over the internet, in magazines, newspapers, even on TV. People often ask, how have our companies been so successful while thousands of others have failed? The answer is simple: timing. Recognizing trends in the network marketing industry, trends in society, trends in the economy. With inflation higher than ever, gas prices up, causing utility bills to rise, mortgage and rent payments going up, travel getting more expensive, people are looking for ways they can save money without compromising quality. Because of that, the network marketing industry is at a major crossroads. Products have become more and more overpriced just so companies can pay out big commissions and compensation plans. But with buying habits trending away from higher priced products in search of better value, that model just doesn't align with where the industry is going. In fact, if you look at some of the biggest companies in the network marketing industry, like Herbalife, USANA, and Nu Skin, their revenues are down as much as 20% from just a year ago, while companies like Walmart and Costco's revenues are up 9% and 12%. In the words of our director of network marketing, Nader Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. That's why we created LiveGood. Teaming up with amazing health and wellness experts Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, we've created a line of the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet that people need. And we make them available for as much as 75% less than what other companies are charging for lower quality products. Take our organic Super Reds, for example, probably the best cardiovascular health product ever created. Higher quality with more antioxidant-packed ingredients than even best-selling non-organic Super Beets, and for less than half the price. How about CBD oil? Other companies are selling 500 milligram CBD oil for as much as $80. Ours is the highest quality CBD available anywhere, and with 750 milligrams of CBD, it's 50% stronger for just $18. Not only that, but every one of our highest quality products comes with a full 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. If you don't absolutely love any of the LiveGood products that you order, simply send back the empty bottle and we'll give you a full refund. No questions asked. So what does all this mean for you? On top of having products that virtually sell themselves in a company that is perfectly aligned with shifting buying habits in the marketplace, we give you all the tools, systems, websites, videos, training, and everything you need to help you earn extra income easier and faster than any other company in the industry. In fact, this video that you're watching right now is part of the industry's most powerful Powerline-driven marketing system that allows you to reserve a free temporary position in our company before you have to commit anything to getting started. What that means is when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position and show you everyone who does the same after you by placing them under you in the Powerline. Now, each Thursday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of Live Good for just $9.95 a month, plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee, moves to the top of the Powerline above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our fast-filling 2x14 forced matrix before all the people below them in the Powerline. So each person is positioned in the matrix in the highest available position following their enroller. By being a member of Live Good, you're going to save up to 75% off the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to keep you and your family healthy. And if you happen to get some people placed under you in the matrix and you make a few extra $100 a month or a few extra $1,000 a month on top of that, even better. And the way our compensation plan works, you have the potential to earn over $2,000 a month in the matrix without ever having to enroll a single person. And if you do choose to share Live Good products and opportunity with others, you can earn significantly more. In fact, with our matching bonuses, just by enrolling one person, you double your earning potential. With millions of people joining Live Good in the next 24 months, the only place they can go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in there. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher you'll be placed in the matrix. So fill out the form on the right, and it won't take long for you to see why people are calling Live Good the most exciting company in the industry. We'll see you at the top.
Yes, see you at the top. Yan po yung aming tagline dito kasi lahat po tayo dun patungo. Okay, kaya nga sinabi ko sa inyo, eto na, Live Good will make your dreams come true. And when your dreams come true, start dreaming for other people. Kasi po yung compensation plan natin, napaka-generous. You'll really earn a lot in Live Good na kaya nyo pong mangarap para sa ibang tao. Yan nga, sabi ni Mary Glenn, yes, Coach, in God's perfect timing, ako na mamimigay ng ayuda sa mga solo parents. Yes, dream bigger than you. Okay, kasi kayang-kaya na po. Kung tayo before sa takot natin, kinalimutan natin yung mga pangarap natin. This time, let's revive that. Baguhin natin, palakihin natin lalo at isa-isahin natin tuparin. Alright? So that's how Live Good differs. Hindi tayo product-centered, but we are more of an exclusive buyers club model. Yan po yung inadapt natin. Lahat tayo dito magiging member ng Live Good. Okay, when you become an affiliate, you become a member of Live Good. As a member, you would have access to the online store. Dun sa online store ngayon, andyan yung mga health products natin na napakaganda ng quality yet napakababa ng presyo. And that is only offered for those who are members of Live Good. Okay? Ngayon, hindi po natin kinukuha sa product prices yung mga pambayad ng compensation. Kinukuha po natin yan. Actually, sinishare po ni Live Good sa atin yung nakukuha nila, part of what they earn from the subscription, sinishare back sa mga affiliate. Alright? So members club po tayo. Right now, we're starting with health products, but soon, there will be more than 200 products in our portfolio, and it would just continuously dadagdagan lang ng dadagdagan yan. Kasi ang vision po ng ating CEO dito, Live Good will be the Amazon of networking space. Alright? Now, are you familiar? Familiar po ba kayo sa membership club? Kung hindi pa po, let me show you some of the most popular membership clubs out there. Ayan, si Amazon Prime. Amazon Prime, para siyang discount club. Okay, whereby yung mga members niya makakakuha ng access dun sa online store nila. At dun sila makakapamili ng mga products ni Amazon at a very low price. Magkano charge nila sa members nila for that value? That's $14.99 or $139 per year. Okay, si Sam's Club, ganun din po. Okay, yun din yung value na ino-offer nila sa kanilang mga members. That's $50 naman or $110 per year, depende dun sa pipiliin mong package. Netflix naman po, ang value yung ino-offer niya is unlimited watching of movies and shows. Okay, pero hindi po libre yan. Okay, you actually pay $9.99 or $15.49 or $19.99 per month just to be able to access those shows. Subukan yung wag bayaran yung subscription na yan, hindi na rin po kayo magkakaroon ng access. Disney Channel is pretty much the same with Netflix. Yun nga lang po, more focus sila sa Disney shows and Disney movies. Magkano si Disney? $10.99 per month or $109.99 per year. Okay, if I can compare Live Good with any of this membership club, pinakamalapit na po siguro si Costco Wholesale. However, Costco Wholesale is more of a physical store. Meaning, ang binibigay lang nila doon sa mga members nila na nagbabayad ng $120 per year is access also. Parang bibigyan sila ng card para pag pinakita nila yung card na yon, papayagan silang pumasok dun sa store. Pagdating sa store, doon sila makakapamili ng mga products at wholesale price. Okay? Now, I think you get the point. Meaning, if you become a member of a certain club, you get value out of the money you pay for them. Okay, in our case, ang nakukuha nating value is the access to the high-quality health products at a very low price. Okay? Ngayon, kung titignan nyo, talagang barya lang yung subscription. Imagine $10, wala pang 600 pesos yan, di ba? So, paano naman kikita? How big? Magta-thrive ba si Live Good kung ganyan lang yung talagang sinisingil niya sa mga tao? Let me show you how big the industry is. Ito po yung ating subscription and membership club industry. Pinakamagandang example na niyan itong Zoom. Si Zoom po, ang mga subscribers ng Zoom, we're paying around $14 for a 100 participant platform. Ito po, malaki to. Medyo mataas tong binabayaran ni Coach Fernandito. But look at how much Zoom earned in 1 year. $4.46 billion po. Now, si Netflix po, Netflix has over 238 million subscribers. Ito yung mga nagbabayad ng $9.99. Diba? Pero imagine, out of that $9.99, kumita si Netflix ng $31.6 billion in 1 year. Okay, si Costco po. Costco has over 123 million subscribers. And from the membership fee alone, ang kinita po ni Costco, $4.2 billion. So if you're telling me na walang kita sa subscription, I beg to disagree. Kasi po itong mga to, talagang sa subscription pa lang, billion-billion na ang kinikita nila. Because subscription and membership club is a billion-dollar industry. Okay? Ngayon, ito pong mga to, malalaking companies na yan. Because they started long time ago. But I'm telling you, Live Good will be much, much bigger than they are. Okay, bakit? Because Live Good is a club membership that pays. Si Live Good lang po ang nagbabayad. Subukan yung i-refer si Netflix sa mga friends nyo. Tignan nyo kung bayaran kayo ni Netflix. Hindi po kayo makakatanggap doon kahit 1 cent. Pero Live Good po, refer Live Good to other people, talagang kikita at kikita kayo dito. In fact, you can earn money as a club member of Live Good, whether or not you refer other members to the program. Yes po, you heard me right. Whether or not you refer other people to the program, kikita at kikita kayo. But don't focus on this. Kasi po ito, pampalubag-loob lang po dun sa mga talagang who tries to invite, who tries to refer people, pero hindi nagagawa for a long time. Don't worry, kikita at kikita ka dito. Okay? I want you to focus more on the big picture. I want you to envision yung mga compensation na talagang makakatupad ng mga pangarap mo. Alright? Now, You may be asking, is Live Good legit? Yes po. Yes, legit, legal na legal po si Live Good. In fact, Live Good was launched December 13, 2022 with exclusive buyers members business model. Okay? And our office is located in Jupiter Park, Florida, USA. US-based po tayo. Pero we are in the platform of internet. So online tayo, kaya we can operate globally. Now, if you're looking for documentation for the legality of Live Good, ang i-search mo po yung state of Florida. Kasi dyan nyo po makikita na ayan, meron tayong mga certification saying that that Live Good is a legitimate corporation and Live Good is current in paying the registration fee. Alright? Hindi po papayagan ni Ben Glinsky na hindi maging legit ang Live Good. Alright? So nabanggit ko na, sino yung mga tao sa loob ng narinig nyo kanina si our CEO Ben Glinsky. Sino pa yung mga corporate team? Sino yung mga brains behind Live Good na napakaganda? Okay, let me show you. Our CEO Ben Glinsky. What we love most about Ben is that he leads by example. His focus is on helping others. You heard me right, helping others. And that's the only reason that Live Good was created. Kasi po itong si Ben, if you search on him, retired na yan before. However, because kinulit siya ng kinulit ng isa sa mga directors natin na bumalik na, the timing is perfect, so they created Live Good. Live Good was created to help people. Kasi yan si Ben po, dati na yung networker at talagang nag-succeed siya. However, masama yung loob niya kasi nakita niya mas marami yung hindi nagsasucceed compared dun sa mga talagang nagsasucceed dun sa industry natin. Okay? He has over 20 years of experience owning and running some of the most successful companies in the nutritional space. Now, Ben knows how to help people win. And yan yung talagang naging mission niya. Talagang to help the small ones win. Hindi dapat lahat, iilan lang yung talagang nagsasucceed. Sa Live Good po, lahat tayo talagang magsasucceed dito. Dito po talagang lahat tayo kikita. At yun talagang magsisipag, yayaman ng todo-todo. Alright? Sino pa yung mga tao? Nag-form siya ng team of champions actually in their own fields. We have Dr. Ryan Goodkin, our Director of Product Development. He has a doctorate in pharmacy and a degree in science and nutrition. Dalawang science po pinagsama. He is our product formulator. Ang maganda po nito, sinabi niya mismo, I don't create products to sell, I create products to use and for my family to use. Alright? That's a benefit for us. Kasi we know very well that whatever products, Live Good products we take in, hindi po ikasasama ng ating katawan. Maganda na yung kanyang quality, hindi pa masama sa katawan. Bakit? No man would give his family something that would harm them. Di po ba? Now, Lisa Goodkin naman, yung asawa niya is the Director of Product Education. Ang ano naman ni Lisa Goodkin, she is more of a wellness coach. And the way she educates people, holistic yung dating. Alright? In fact, here, she's not just going to teach us about the products we have in Live Good. She's also going to teach us about healthy habits like exercise, good eating habits, good sleeping habits. Kasi ang habol niya po is to improve everyone's health. Hindi lang talagang humaba yung buhay natin or lifespan. Meron siyang tinawag na health span. Dapat tumanda tayo na healthy pa rin tayo. Okay, ganun po yung mission naman niya. Kaya talagang they're experts in their own field. And then we have Nodor Kazan, our Director of Network Marketing. He is a legend in terms pagdating sa network marketing industry. In fact, 1998 pa lang po, nagtitrain na ng mga leaders yan. Ganun po ka-vast yung kanyang experience in networking. And he has seen it all. He has seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. And the disgusting in the industry. Ang ginawa niya po, nung nag-start ng Live Good, tinanggal niya na po yung bad, ugly, and disgusting. At yung good, lalo pa niyang pinaganda. Okay? Kaya dito po sa Live Good, talagang ang daming naniniwala. Marinig lang po yung presentation na ganito, sumasali na po talaga. Okay, kaya nga sabi niya, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of the compensation plan can get rich are over because Live Good is here. Okay? Now, the mission of Live Good, to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune doing it. Okay, did you see that? Talagang napaka-focus nila dun sa mga members nila. People-focused sila, people-centered sila, hindi sila company-centered, hindi sila profit-centered. Kasi yung ibang company, we want to be the number one in the direct selling space, we want to be the number one in the nutritional space. Dito, ang Live Good mission natin to help people. Alright? And that's what I call change. And it's time to make a change. Alright? Kaya nga ang nag-start tayo sa health products kasi nakita natin na yung health is importante ngayon, especially after what we've been through, the pandemic. People start to realize that we need to be healthy. Okay, ang masama nito, sa mahal ng mga supplements before, talagang hindi natin kaya. Iniisang tabi natin yung ating health. Diba? So that we can pay our bills. Dito po ngayon sa baba ng presyo ng mga products natin, pero sa ganda ng quality ng mga products, talagang kaya na po nating magpaka-healthy, and at the same time, we can actually cover all our bills. Okay, speaking of product, eto po. We have over 20 premium life-changing health products. Diyan lang po tayo nag-i-start, but later on, padami lang po ng padamian. Raw ingredients from the most pristine location in the planet. Kung saan po pinakamagandang tumubo yung mga raw ingredients natin, dun po natin na-harvest. World-class manufacturing facilities. Yes, we do that. All our products are made in USA, approved by GMP, Good Manufacturing Practice. If you're not familiar with Good Manufacturing Practice, i-google nyo po. And there you will find na napakataas ng standard yan before sila mag-approve ng mga products. Yet, all our products are approved by them. Okay? All our products are lab-tested for purity and potency. Alright? And we have a certificate. We have certificate of analysis of all our products para yung mga gagamit ng products natin, alam nila kung ano yung pumapasok sa katawan nila. And there they would find na talagang of premium quality lahat ng products natin. And all our products are available in over 200 countries. Not that I'm saying that we have warehouses in all these countries. What I'm saying po is talagang yung style kasi natin drop shipping eh. The moment you order and pay for your order, ipapack na po yan. And then isi-ship na yan. And meron tayong very reliable shipping partner which is DHL. DHL yung nagde-deliver sa atin dito sa Philippines. For other countries, USPS. Napakagaling din po courier niyan. Alright? Kaya ayan po, makikita nyo yung mga logos of certification, different certification that our brands or our products have undergone. Okay? Ang maganda nito, despite the high quality of our products, napakababa po ng presyo natin. Because here at Live Good, you always get the highest quality products at the lowest possible price. Yes, as I would describe it, almost manufacturing price. Because we are not about overpriced products. We are about saving people money on health products. Kasi nakita natin napaka-importante ng health sa mga tao. However, it's time that they become serious about getting healthy. Kasi this time po, kaya na nilang bilhin yung mga products na talagang magpapa-healthy sa kanila. Okay? With other companies kasi po, talagang mahal yung mga products nila. And that's the traditional way. They jack up their prices, they jack up the prices of their products kasi doon nila kinukuha yung pambayad nila sa country manager nila, pambayad sa renta ng warehouses, pambayad sa mga staff, and pambayad dun sa compensation ng mga top earners sa kanilang companies. Yung mga kumikita ng 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, kinukuha po nila yan sa prices ng products. Now, kailangan nila ngayon pa-move yung products. Otherwise, wala silang pagkukuhaan ng pambayad dyan sa mga yan. So what do? They force their distributors to buy their products. Dito po, hindi tayo obliged bumili ng mga products. At yung products natin, napakabababa. Okay, ang tawag po dyan dun sa jacking up of prices, of product prices, we call that price gouging. Okay, now there is this price gouging MLMs and there is Live Good. Okay, kung makikita nyo dun sa illustration, that's David and Goliath. Si Live Good parang si David. Maliit pa lang po kasi December lang tayo nag-start. We're less than a year old. Kit damang-dama na ng mga price gouging MLMs or companies yung ating presence. Kasi takang-taka sila, paano nagawa ni Live Good na pabagsakin yung presyo ng mga products? Samantalang sila, dun sila kumukuha ng panggastos nila. Diba? Kaya nga sabi ni Noder Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of the compensation plan can get rich are over. Dito po, equalized na yung playing ground natin. Talagang equal na tayong lahat. Kung sila kaya nilang yumaman, kaya nilang maging ma-reach yung top ng mga nung ating ranks, kaya nilang ma-maximize yung compensation, lahat po tayo ngayon dito, kaya na rin natin. Okay? Depende na lang po yan sa sipag nyo. Okay? Now, baka sabihin nyo, ako lang ang nagsasabi na mura yung products natin. Let's do some product comparison. Alright. Eto, our collagen. Yung collagen po ng iba, collagen lang talaga ang laman. Dito po yung collagen natin, our genius product formulator Ryan Goodkin, dinagdagan pa po niya ng 3 ingredients na talagang nagko-complement ng effect ng collagen. Kaya mas maganda po yung ating collagen as compared sa iba. But look at the prices. Yung Green Compass, $79.96. Yung Organifi Collagen, $69.95. Sa atin po, retail price pa lang napakababa na, $34.95. Pag naging member ka, meaning you would have the access to the member's price, you'll only need to pay $27.95. Okay? Ganun po kababa yung presyo natin. Talagang you'll be saving more than 60%. Yung Organifi coffee natin, kung naghahanap ka weight loss, kasi itong kapeng to nakakabusog pero hindi nakakataba. And at the same time, you'll have the effect of the coffee, the regular coffee, pero wala po yung panginginig, wala yung palpitation, you would not feel any of that. Pero yung open-mindedness, yung pagka-open ng mind mo, you would have that. Alright? Yung pinakamalapit na kalaban natin, magkano? $40.50, $35. Sa atin po, at retail, it's $24.95, pero when you're a member, you only need to pay $17.95. Okay? Ito po, if you're looking into bodybuilding naman, or muscle toning, or muscle leaning, yan, ito kailangan nyo. Complete plant-based protein. Yung iba dyan, yung protein nila, magkano presyo? $62.95, $59.99. Okay, sa atin po, retail price, $29.95. Members price, $22. Okay, baka nagtataka kayo, bakit may retail price? Bakit may members price? Kasi po, yung ibang hindi member dito, pwede pa rin naman bumili ng ating mga products at retail price. Ang maganda po niyan, saan sila bibili? Dun sa shop ng mga member na dito. And when they buy at retail price, ang kagandahan nito, ang benefit natin as member, pwede pa po natin pagkakitaan yan. Alright? Now, these are 3 of the products of Live Good. Marami pa pong products on Live Good. If you want to learn more about the products of Live Good, just go and visit livegood.com. Pindutin niyo yung products, tapos may button doon na learn more. You can learn a lot about Live Good products po. Okay? Okay. So that's about our products. That's about our membership. And most likely you want to be a member so that you would be enjoying the discount, the very low price of high quality products natin. So paano ba mag-member? You just need to pay $9.95 per month. Or kung gusto mong makatipid, you cover 1 year for $99.95. Nakatipid ka ng 2 buwan. And when you do that as a Live Good member, you'll save up to 75% compared to products in other direct selling companies. Yes po, more than 75% yung masasave nyo. And you know what they say, $1 save is $1 earned. So meaning yung masasave nyo rito, pwede yung pambayad ng bills nyo, pwede yung pandagdag sa matrikula ni baby. Di po ba? Okay, so eto po, as member, you get to save. And as in the savings alone, may earnings na yan. But, hindi po yan yung makakatupad ng pangarap mo. Ang makakatupad po ng pangarap nyo is yung malalaking kita. And did you know that you can actually earn through subscription? Yan. Alam mo ba na pwede kang kumita sa subscription? Yes po. Here in Live Good, we are the only membership club that pays. And here in Live Good, napakaganda nung ating, very powerful yung compensation plan natin. In fact, it's very generous. Okay? And how do you earn? From subscription, you become an affiliate. You enter the affiliate program and you become an affiliate member of Live Good. Because as Live Good affiliate, you'll have the opportunity to earn with the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. Okay, ano po ba yung affiliate? Okay, let me explain it the most simplest way. Si Live Good po kasi, direct selling company yan. Hindi po nag-a-advertise yan. Wala kayong makikitang ads niyan sa TV, sa radio, sa magazine, sa billboard, not even in the internet. Wala pong ads yan. Pero since company siya, kailangan malaman siya ng maraming tao. Okay? As an affiliate, tayo po yung parang magiging referral partners ni Live Good. Meaning, tayo yung magpo-promote kay Live Good. Tayo yung magsasabi sa ating mga kaibigan, kaklase, ka-churchmate, ka-workmate. Tayo yung magsasabi sa kanila about Live Good. And the value that we receive as affiliate members of Live Good. And when you successfully refer people to Live Good, you earn money. Okay, ganun lang po kasimple yung affiliation. Ayan po, affiliate marketing. Number one, first and foremost, you have to join. You have to become an affiliate member. Okay, and then when you're already a member, start promoting Live Good. Because every referral, every successful referral you make in Live Good, you would earn. All right? So how do you become an affiliate? Number one, you go to the sponsor, to the person who invited you or who gave you this Zoom link, and you ask for their sponsor's link. Kasi doon po kayo magre-register with your name and email. Okay? When you do that, mapi-pre-enroll na kayo. Ngayon, if you're ready with your credit card and debit card, and if you're ready to pay for the $49.95, then diretso nyo na po, lock in your position. Because here, to become an affiliate, you need to pay a one-time affiliate fee of $40 plus the first month subscription of $9.95. Okay? Since one-time po yung $40, the following month, yung subscription na lang yung babayaran nyo, which is $9.95. Yan yung sinasabi kong makatipid ka lang ng 20 isang araw, covered na yung subscription nyo. Alright? Now, ang tanong nyo ngayon, paano bayaran yan? Na-mention ko na kanina, you can actually use your credit card or debit card or even virtual card. So long as it's Masters or Visa. Pwede po yan. Okay? Now, if you're in the US, pwede rin po yung Discovery. Alright? And when you do that, ipapasok lang natin yung credit card natin or debit card natin. Si Live Good na po yung bahalang mag-collect ng kanilang mga fees. Alright? Now, kung wala po kayong credit card or debit card or you don't want to use it, pwede naman pong cryptocurrency if you're familiar with it. Okay? Disclaimer lang po, we're not trading crypto. We just use crypto as means of paying. Pwede po natin gamitin yon. Or kung talagang wala ng debit card, wala ng credit card, walang virtual card, wala ring crypto, kausapin nyo po yung nag-invite sa inyo kasi meron pa po tayong way. We use our credit wallet to do that. Okay? Pero yung makakatulong po sa inyo is your sponsor. Alright? So your question may be, ito, kadalasan tinatanong sa akin to eh. Ano naman makukuha ko sa $49.95? May products ba yan? Alright, that's a good question. Actually, that's a very legit question kasi sa ibang company, you are forced to buy products before you can even join. This is what you get. Unang-una, since nagbayad ka ng $9.95, which is the subscription to become a member, you have access to Live Good Membership Club. Okay, tapos yung $40 naman, that's your affiliate fee. Okay, Live Good knows na talagang you would be promoting Live Good to all of to all the people you know, pati yung mga taong hindi mo kilala, ipopromote mo si Live Good. You will be doing the business of Live Good. So what they did, they will give you digital marketing products, tools, and trainings. In fact, ito pong Zoom na to, this is one of the tools that you can actually abuse. Kami magpe-present, kami mamamaos, kami magko-close. Yet, the account is yours. Okay? And lastly, as an affiliate, you get to participate in the most exciting compensation plan in the planet. In fact, yan po na yung nakita kong most generous compensation plan in the industry right now. Okay? Now, ano yung mga digital marketing products? Just to show you, ito po, these are 3 websites. 3 websites na personalized sa'yo. Replicated website yan, pero nandun yung pangalan mo. Ayun, makikita nyo yung pangalan ko, maliit lang. Okay, so yung first site natin will be our business site. Diyan po natin i-monitor yung movement ng ating business. Diyan natin makikita yung mga taong na-refer natin to the program. Yung mga taong na-refer nila. Yung mga taong na na-refer nung na-refer nila. Bakit po importante yan? Kasi dito po, hindi ka lang kikita sa sarili mong effort, kikita ka rin dun sa effort ng mga taong nadala mo rito. Alright? And at the same time, dito rin po makikita natin yung earnings natin. Don't worry kasi po username and password protected yan. Just make sure na talagang secured yung password mo and username. Hindi ka basta-basta nag-hit ng link, hindi mo basta-basta binibigay kahit kanino yan. Alright? Now, second would be a Live Good, yung iyong landing page. Ito naman yung binibigay natin dun sa mga gusto nating maging partner dito. Yung mga gusto nating isama, ma-refer as affiliate members. Okay? Kasi dito po, ang bubungad sa kanila yung video ni Ben Glinsky explaining what Live Good is. And here is also where you register. Dito ka magpi-pre-enroll, dito ka magre-register. Every person na mag-register dun sa sarili mong Live Good Tour website, sa iyo po yan. Alright? And then, since nabanggit ko kanina na yung non-members pwede pa rin bumili ng mga products ng Live Good through the online shop of members, meron po tayong online shop. Okay? Again, may pangalan mo yan. Dito po, then nakalagay lahat ng mga products ng Live Good. And when you give that to people who will buy products at retail, asahan nyo po, may commission kayo at the end of the month. Mamaya i-discuss ko po yan. Okay. Are you ready to discuss the compensation? Ready na po ba tayo makinig tungkol sa compensation? Because right now, I'm going to talk about how to make money in subscription. How to make money in Live Good. Ayan, si Andy Bicol, very excited talaga. Sure. All right. Now, as an affiliate member, sabi ko nga kanina, you get to participate in the compensation plan. And our compensation plan will be powered by 2 powerful structure, the unilevel structure and the force matrix structure. Ano po yung unilevel? Di ba sinabi ko kanina, as affiliate member, magre-refer ka ng tao dito. Every successful referral, every direct successful referral you make here, lahat sila magfo-fall on your first level. Okay? Lahat ngayon ng mare-refer nila, that would be your second level. At yung mare-refer nung na-refer nila, that would be your third level. At yung mare-refer nung na-refer nila, that would be your fourth level. And so on until you reach 10 levels. Bakit? Kasi dito po sa Live Good, you get to be paid up to 10 levels deep. Ang maganda po nito, unlimited yung number ng taong pwede natin ma-refer dito sa Live Good. So you can refer 10, 100, 1,000 people, as many as you want. Alright? So yan po yung isang structure natin. Please remember that kasi mamaya papakita ko sa inyo kung saan natin gagamitin yan. Another structure is what we call the force matrix. Si force matrix po, we belong to a single matrix, global. Now, when you become an affiliate member, you would have your own matrix. Meaning, meron pang mga tao sa itaas mo kasi nga nasa loob lang tayo ng isang malaking matrix, di ba? So what will happen? Ikaw yung nasa taas as an affiliate member. Every person na mapapasok mo would go inside your matrix. Ngayon, sino pa? yung mga tao, let's say the people on top of you are still doing the business as well, possible po na makatanggap ka ng mga spillover from them. Alright? And yung mga taong magfo-fall dun sa matrix mo who would be doing the business, lahat po ng maipapasok nila would be in their matrix, and since sila nasa matrix mo, they would also form part of your matrix. Now, system assigned po to. Hindi natin pwedeng ipangakong lalagay kita sa kanan, lalagay kita sa kaliwa. Hindi po. Si system ang mag-a-assign nung mga tao. At i-assign niya yan dun sa very first vacant position. Okay? Every person would just have two person connected to them sa force matrix. Okay? So, yung level 1 mo, dalawang nakabit sa'yo. Ngayon, if you continue to refer people, saan ikakabit yung more than 2? Doon na sa ilalim ng mga nakabit sa'yo. Okay? So, power of 2 lang po yan. So, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, and so on, up to 15 levels deep. Kasi dito po babayaran tayo up to 15 levels. Alright? Now, let's talk about the compensation. Kasi dito po talagang may kitaan. Dito po, you can actually earn monthly or you can earn weekly and monthly. Okay, hindi ko na po kayo papipiliin kasi sigurado naman ako na gugustuhin nyo is may kita na kayo weekly, may kita pa kayo monthly. Alright? So let's continue. Here we have 7 ways to earn. Okay, kaya nga importante yung structure kanina kasi that's going to be used to compute for our earnings. We have the weekly fast start and the retail commission. Ang gagamitin po dyan would be the unilevel structure. We have the matrix commission. Ang gagamitin naman dyan yung force matrix. And if you notice, merong nasa gitna matching bonuses kasi hybrid yan. Iko-combine yung unilevel tsaka yung matrix, yung force matrix to be able to compute for the matching bonuses. Okay, we also have other ways to earn like the influencer bonus, the diamond bonus pool, and the crown diamond bonus pool. Okay, so let's start. Isa-isahin natin. First, the weekly fast start for those who share LiveGood. Yes po, ang weekly earnings po natin, this would be reserved by those people na talagang nag-share ng LiveGood. Yung mga nagre-refer ng tao dito sa LiveGood. Okay, you get unlimited from every successful enrollee who pays $49.95. Okay? Ganito po kasi yan. Unang-una, ikaw, if you're not an affiliate pa, you become an affiliate by paying your $49.95. Alright? Once you're already an affiliate member, then you get to participate in our compensation plan. Ang maganda po nito, every successful referral you make, you get paid $25. Okay? So just imagine, makadalawa ka lang, you get $50. Magkano yung nilabas mo? $49.95. So may return on investment ka na. Return of investment. Nag-return na yung ginastos mo na $49.95. Ang maganda nito, unlimited yung pwede mong i-refer dito. Ito nga yun sa example natin, 4. So $25 times 4, meron siyang $100. Ang maganda nito, ang release nitong commission na to, weekly. Kaya nga sinabi ko, dito pwede kang kumita weekly. Okay? Now, unlimited yung pwede mong ma-refer dito and mamaya makikita mo na pwede kang kumita dun sa trabaho nung mga na-refer mo rito. We call that leveraging. You can actually leverage on them doing the business. That is if you rank up, depending on your rank. Meron po tayong ranking dito. Just to show you, briefly lang po, kasi pwede namang makikita nyo naman sa website to, meron talagang more complete explanation of how to rank up. Okay? Number 1, when you become an affiliate, you'll be considered as unranked. Si unranked po, yan yung mga wala pang nare-refer na tao, wala pang successfully nare-refer na tao, or kung meron man, iisa lang. Okay? Now, to become bronze, all you need to do is to enroll 2 people. 2 lang po ang mapasok nyo dito sa LiveGood, bronze ka na. And when you become bronze, you get to enjoy more benefits. Alright? Now, the next rank would be silver. How to become silver? Simple lang po. 10 personally enrolled or 3 direct bronze ranks. with 20 active members. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Personally enrolled, makasampu ka. Tapos meron 20 active members in your team, silver ka na. Kung wala ka man 10, yung 3 in-enroll mo, gawin mo bronze, plus meron kang 20 active members in your team, silver ka na. Alright? Ganun lang po kadali. Now, si gold, 30 personally enrolled or 3 direct silver ranks with 100 active members. Okay, 30 personally enrolled or 3 silver rank dun sa grupo mo. Plus, meron kang 100 active members. Then you become gold. Alright? Or pwede rin po, kahit wala kang 30, so long as yung 100 active members, you'll not be counting more than 30 per enroller leg. Alright? Then si Platinum po, 100 personally enrolled or 3 direct gold with 500 active members. Ganyan lang po kadali. Ang dami na po nating Platinum dito. Si Diamond po, 3 direct Platinum rank with 2,500 active members. Now, if you think that this is a big number, hindi po. Kasi we have over 70 diamonds worldwide. And dito po sa Philippines, talagang more than 15 diamonds na sila. Alright? Tapos meron pa po Crown Diamond. Crown Diamond, 50,000 active members. Yan po yung requirement. And reachable po yan kasi 2 na po yung Crown Diamond natin worldwide. At yung second Crown Diamond is none other than our grand upline Coach Fernan Santiago. He is from the Philippines and we're so proud of him. Okay. Now, bakit importante mag-rank up? Sabi ko nga po, di ba, madadagdagan yung compensation mo when you rank up. You'll receive more money. Okay, sa weekly fast start, di ba, meron tayong $25 every time we successfully refer people. Ito maganda. When you rank up, you get to enjoy up to level 10. Ayan. Kung unrank ka hanggang first level ka lang, meaning yung mga ma-refer mo lang dito. When you become bronze, you get to leverage dun sa mga ma-refer nila kasi you get to enjoy up to second level. Pag nag-silver ka, up to third and fourth level. Pag nag-gold ka, up to 5th and 6th. Pag nag-platinum ka, up to 7th and 8th. Pag nag-diamond ka, ikaw lang ang mag-enjoy up to the 10th level. And ito yung mga may enjoy mo. Sa first level, $25, then $5, then $2.50 on the third and fourth, $1.50 on the fifth, $1 on the sixth and seventh, 50 cents on the 8th and 9.50 cents on the 10th. Okay? Ang maganda nito, unlimited yung pwede mong i-enroll dito. Therefore, unlimited din yung pwede mong i-enjoy na weekly income. You can earn unlimited direct enrollees based on rank. Yes, in fact dito po kaya nyong targetin na kumita ng $1,000 every week. Mamaya po yung presenter mamayang 9 o'clock, yun po yung kanyang goal and I believe he reached it already. Alright? Now that's our fast start commission. Now sa retail commission, sabi ko nga, meron din tayong way to earn from selling the products. We're not obliged to sell, but if you want to sell, pwede ka pa rin kumita. Alright? Kaya meron tayong retail price tsaka members price. Now, how do you compute for the retail commission? Idideduct mo lang po yung retail's price dun sa members price and you get 50% of that. Alright? Ayan, you get percentage commission of the difference between the members price and the retail price based on your rank. So again, up to level 10 yan. Ganon din po parang sa fast start. Ito naman yung mga percentage na makukuha mo. Meaning, possible na hindi na ikaw yung nagbenta on retail, yet kikita ka pa if you rank up. Okay, ganyan po ka-generous yung ating compensation plan. Plus, meron din tayong influencer bonus. Kung medyo sikat ka na sa YouTube or sa TikTok, marami ka ng followers, try to make them buy the products at retail. Kasi ito naman po, binibase dun sa volume ng retail sales mo in a month. The more volume you get, the higher your commission. In fact, yung 50% na binibigay sa'yo, pwede yung umabot ng 100%. Pag umabot ng $50,000 yung retail monthly mo, ibibigay na sa'yo yung buong difference. Alright? Sige. Now, let's talk about the other means to earn here. Yung ating ating monthly matrix commission. Actually, yung iba po malamang na-entice sa inyo to learn more about Live Good because of this monthly matrix commission. Kasi sabi dito, all you need to do is subscribe, you wait, and then you'll earn. Totoo naman po yan. Talagang kikita ka even if you don't refer anybody in Live Good. However, wag nyo pong karirin yan kasi yan po, tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, pampalubag loob lang yan dun sa mga hindi talaga makapag-refer. Dun sa mga busy pa on other things and cannot do the business ng todo-todo. Okay? Pero to show you how the monthly commission works, ito, let's show you muna yung force matrix natin. How is it filled? It starts with you. Now, sabi ko nga, dalawa lang yung pwedeng ikabit sa'yo. So the system will put one on your left, one on your right, and then that's it. That's your level 1, dalawang tao. And then, pag nag-refer ka pa ng ibang tao, saan na ilalagay? Dun sa ilalim na nila. 1, 1, una yung mga left, and then mga rights. And then that's it. 4. So 2, 4, tapos ganun ulit. Left, 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 left. Bakit ginawang ganyan? Para equal po yung distribution. Lahat makikinabang. Hindi yung isang leg lang yung nakikinabang, but everybody in your organization would benefit on the spillovers that you would create or dun sa spillovers na matatanggap mo dun sa mga taong nasa taas mo. Okay? And then tuloy-tuloy yan all the way up to level 15 because you get to earn up to level 15. Okay? Subscribers earn $25. How do you earn from that? You earn $25 from every subscriber in your matrix even if they are spillovers. Meaning, even if hindi galing sa'yo, na spillover lang sa'yo or nanggaling dun sa mga taong napunta dun sa matrix mo, kikita ka pa rin ng 25 cents so long as they are in your matrix. Okay? Baka sabihin nyo, ang liit naman yan, 25 cents. 13 pesos lang yan eh. So let me show you ano itsura ng matrix. Ganyan po yan. Di ba sabi ko level of 2. So 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64 all the way up to level 15. That's how your matrix would look like. Ganyan karami yung tao sa loob ng matrix mo. Ganyan karami yung taong pagkukuhaan ng 25 cents. And all they need to do is continuously subscribe. And all you need to do is continuously subscribe as well. Kasi pag hindi ka na nag-subscribe, hindi ka na nagbayad ng subscription mo, tanggal din tong benefit na to sa'yo. Alright? Now, to show you the monthly matrix up to 15 levels deep. Ayan, 1 to 15 po. So, yung mga unranked, pwede pa rin pong kumita sa matrix income up to 12 levels lang. Now, if you're unranked, meaning wala kang successful referral dito, yan na yung maximum na kikitain mo. So, pakita natin. Yan yung number of people in your matrix per level. Magkano kita mo dyan? For every $9.95 monthly subscription, you earn 25 cents. Eh pag umabot na ng 12 levels yung tao sa matrix mo, that's a total of 8,192 people. So ang kikitain mo dyan is $2,047.50. Diyan po nang gagaling yung sinasabi namin na even if you don't refer people to the program, you still get to earn up to $2,000. Yes po. Pero again, paulit-ulit po ako, huwag niyong karirin yan. Huwag yan yung hintayin nyo. Kasi mas malaki po yung biyaya na matatanggap nyo if you decide to refer people to the program. Okay? Kasi maging bronze or silver ka lang, up to level 13 ka na. Yung matrix income mo, aabot na ng $4,095.50. Na doble agad. Pag nag-gold or platinum ka, up to level 14, aabot ka na ng $8,191.50. Pag nag-diamond ka or crown diamond, you get to enjoy up to level 15. Your matrix income reaches $16,000. That's 900,000 pesos. Monthly income po yan ha. Kasi lahat naman ng subscribers dito, makikita nila yung value of paying their subscription. So they would continuously pay their subscription. Okay? Now, for those who are unranked and just waiting for the matrix, baka ang tanong nyo, kailan naman mapupuno yung matrix income na yan? Well, hindi ko po malaman. Hindi ko po masasagot yan. Pwedeng magtagal, pwedeng mabilis. Pero asahan nyo na po, you should have the patience to wait. Kaya nga sabi ko, don't just settle for spillover. do the business, refer people in so that you would be earning more. Okay? Now, let's say for example, talagang hindi nyo nagawa yung matrix. You continuously paid for your subscription. However, you were not able to successfully refer anybody in the program. Lumipas ang 1 taon, wala ka pa rin na-refer. Lumipas yung 3 taon, wala ka pa rin na-refer. Lumipas ang 5 taon, wala ka pa rin na-refer. Pero unti-unting napupuno yung matrix nyo. Ang tanong, worth it ba yung binabayad mong subscription? Okay, let me show you some computation. If in 12 months po, it took 12 months bago mapuno yung 12 levels nyo, ang binayad nyo po is just a total of $119 in your subscription. Pero since puno na yung matrix nyo, magkano na kinikita nyo? $2,000 monthly. Monthly po yan. Ibabalik ko sa yung tanong, worth it ba na maghintay? Yes po, worth it po yan. Now, kung 3 years, 36 months, ang binayad nyo lang po $358. Pero yung kinikita nyo monthly, $2,047. Worth it po ba? Yes po. Ang laki po ng difference. Tsaka monthly ang income na yan eh. Okay, gawin na natin 5 years. 60 months. Ang binayad nyo, $597 lang. Pero yung kinikita nyo, $2,047 monthly. That's 100,000 pesos, more than 100,000 pesos monthly income. Worth it po ba? Yes po. Kahit sabihin mong 10 taon pa yan, worth it pa rin po yan. Now, ang maganda nito, hindi nyo kailangan bayaran ng buo yan. Kasi dito sa LiveGood, once na may pumasok dun sa matrix nyo, babayaran ka. May pumasok na isa, 25 cents, babayaran ka. Dalawa, 50 cents. Eh kung magkaroon na ng 40 dun sa matrix nyo, you'll be paid $10 already. Meaning, covered na po yan. Monthly kasi yun eh. Palaki lang ng palaki yan eh. So, covered na po yung monthly subscription yung $995. So, you don't need to pay for your subscription anymore from your own pocket. You just have to get it from the income that you are getting also from LiveGood. Alright? So, talagang worth it po yan. Yun nga lang po, talagang magkakaroon kayo ng patience to be able to wait until your matrix fills up to up to 12 levels deep. Okay? Pero again, uulitin ko, huwag niyong karirin yan. In fact, karirin nyo na talagang mapabilis yung pagpuno ng matrix nyo. Alright? So how do you do that? You do that by promoting yourself to bronze. How to become bronze? You get 2. Di ba? And then yung nakuha mong 2, i-promote mo rin to bronze. How to help them get 2. And if you do that weekly, ito po yung mangyayari sa inyo. Una, ikaw pa lang. And then you successfully referred 2 people. Tapos tinuruan mo sila. Sabihin mo, mag-bronze na kayo. Bakit? Para balik na yung $49.95 nyo. Diba? At the same time, turuan mo sila kung paano turuan yung mga kukunin nila na mag-bronze din on their first week. Diba? Ito mangyayari. So, una, ikaw lang, and then nadagdagan ng 2, and then 4, 8, 16, 32. Kung weekly mangyayari yan, magiging kultura na sa organization nyo na talagang pag-join, automatic on their first week, makukuha ng 2. On the 12th week pa lang po, umaabot na, puno na yung matrix nyo, puno na yung 12 levels nyo. Meaning, ang kinikita nyo na dyan yung $2,047.50 monthly. And since bronze ka na, on the 13th week, puno na rin po yung matrix nyo. Now, if you continue to do this, after getting 2, teaching them to get 2, you get another 2, teach them to get 2 again, and then you get another 2, definitely magra-rank up kayo, aabot kayo ng diamond. Mas mabilis na ngayon pong mapupuno yan. Now, this is just a simple way of doing it. If you're really seriously doing the business, don't just get 2. Get as many as you can. Bakit mamaya, pag pinakita ko sa inyo yung matching bonus, makikita nyo yung halaga ng pagdidirect refer dito. Okay? Ito na po yung susunod ko, yung matching bonus. Makinig po kayo maigi kasi itong compensation na to ang makakapagpatupad sa mga pangarap nyo. Mind you, ang mga nakakatanggap lang po ng matching bonus are those who do direct referrals, are those who share the business to others. Okay? Si matching bonus po, sinabi ko kanina, para siyang hybrid, combination ng unilevel tsaka ng matrix, force matrix. Kasi po, i-consider pa rin lahat ng direct nyo. Di ba kayo, when you join, you start to have your own matrix. Therefore, nagkaroon kayo ng matrix income. Same way, yung mga mapapa-join nyo rito, they would have their own matrix also. And they would have their own matrix income as well. What LiveGood would do to compensate you for your effort of bringing them in the program, they would match their matrix income 50% and they would give that to you. Okay? Don't worry kasi yung mga na-refer nyo rito, matatanggap nila ng buo yung kanilang matrix income. Karagdagan po yung matching bonus na yan na matatanggap nyo. Alright? So to show you an example, for example, nakapag-direct refer kayo ng 4 na tao, si A, si B, si C, tsaka si D. Okay? Si A, humataw, kumikita na ng $1,000 sa matrix niya. 50% sa'yo, may $500 ka. Si B, humataw kalahati lang. 500 lang yung kanyang matrix income. Meron ka pa rin 250. Si C, medyo busy pa sa ibang ginagawa niya pero umabot na ng $100 yung kanyang matrix income. May $50 ka pa rin, 50% of 100. Now si D, ganun din, umabot naman ng 200 yung matrix income niya, meron ka pa rin $100. Ang maganda nito, matching bonuses pa lang to. Iba pa yung matrix income mong sarili. Diba? Karagdagan pa tong income na to. And mind you, ang mga makakatanggap lang po ng mga matching bonuses are those who refer people to the program. At ang kagandahan nito, unlimited po yung pwede nyong i-refer dito sa program. Meaning, unlimited din po yung pwede nyong i-match na matrix income ng mga taong mapapasok mo dito sa LiveGood. Alright? Tapos may dagdag pa kasi the more you rank up, the higher rank you go, you get to enjoy generation bonuses pa. Okay? Di ba sa personally enrolled mo, meron kang 50%. Pag nag-silver ka, you get to enjoy up to second generation, may 10% ka pa. Pag nag-gold ka, you get to enjoy up to third generation. Meron kang tagpa 5% on all 3 generations. Pag nag-platinum ka, up to 4th generation yan, 5% pa rin. Pag nag-diamond ka, you're the only one who gets to enjoy up to the 5th generation, 3% each. Okay, so meaning, yung 50% mo, pwede pang madagdagan ng 23% pag diamond ka na. Paulit-ulit mong ima-match yung kanilang mga matrix income. Paliit ng paliit yung percentage, pero I'm telling you, yung 5th generation na yan, ang daming tao niyan. Kaya talagang ang laki ng kita mo dyan. Kaya nga sinabi ko, ito yung makakapagpatupad ng mga pangarap mo. Okay, just to show you an actual earning from one of our coaches. Hindi ko po alam kung sino yung coach. Pero before I do that, let me make some disclaimer. Hindi po guaranteed tong income na to. This can possibly happen to you kasi nangyari sa kanya, meaning posibleng mangyari sa inyo. Pwede ring maging mas mataas yung income nyo rito at pwede ring mas maging mababa. Pero I'm telling you, generation or the matching bonus is really the most lucrative in terms of compensation here in LiveGood. Ayan po. Nung period of June, yung matrix niya umabot na ng 1,388. Yung matching bonus niya, take a look at that. That's $12,000, more than $12,000. 12 times more than the matrix bonus. Ganyan po kalaki yung matching bonus. Kaya nga po, sinasabi ko paulit-ulit, huwag niyo pong hintayin mapuno lang yung matrix niyo. Invite people to the program and enjoy the matching bonus because only those who refer people to the program of LiveGood, only those are going to enjoy their matching bonuses. Okay? Okay, since diamond na siya, may diamond pool na to, no? However, mamaya ko pa siya madidiscuss. Here's another payout from another of our coach. Yung matrix niya umabot ng 1,299, almost 1,300. Pero yung matching niya, $44,000. Grabe, ang laki. Bakit? Kasi ang dami niya pong na-refer dito sa LiveGood. Ang dami niya pong na-refer dito sa LiveGood. And look at that, yung diamond bonus pool niya, ang laki na. Bakit? Kasi na-reach niya na po yung highest rank dito sa LiveGood. The reason I'm showing you this is not to brag, not to hype you, but to show you that it is possible to earn a huge amount of money here in LiveGood. Again, disclaimer po, this is not a guaranteed income. This happened to him kasi talagang pinagtrabahuhan niya. Ginawa niya talaga ng seryoso yung LiveGood. Now, whatever you would receive here in LiveGood would be dependent on your own effort. Kaya nyo lagpasan to kung talagang sisipagan nyo ng todo-todo. Pero posible rin pong mas mababa yung kita nyo rito. Depende po dun sa effort na ilalagay nyo. I'm just showing you this to show you how important it is to refer people to the program para ma-receive nyo yung mga matching bonuses. Okay? Let's say for example, 20 yung direct referral mo rito. Tapos yung 20 na direct refer mo rito, hindi ginawa yung business. However, time came na puno yung matrix nila. So yung matrix income nila umaabot na ng 2,047.50. Since may 50% ka, kasi direct mo sila, that's 1,023.75. 20 sila. So you get $20,475 monthly income, monthly matching bonus. Magkano yan in peso? 1.1 million pesos po yan, monthly income. Iilan lang po ang mga executives na kumikita ng ganyan. Ikaw, you just referred people. Nagkwento ka lang kung gaano ka kasaya dito sa LiveGood at ang daming nagsisali sa'yo. And then time will come, ganyan na po yung kikitain nyo. Is it worth the wait? Yes. Alright? Wag lang po kayo bibitaw sa subscription nyo. What if you have 30 directs and this time yung 30 directs nyo talagang nagtrabaho? Umabot ng 6,000 yung kanilang mga matrix income. Magkano yung sa'yo dyan? 50%, 3,000. Since 30 sila, that's $90,000 monthly income. That's 5 million peso monthly income for you. At this point po talagang hindi lang matutupad yung mga pangarap nyo, pati po pangarap ng buong pamilya nyo matutupad na. Kaya nga sabi ko rito, don't just revive your dream, dream big. Dream just not for yourself, dream for other people. Kasi po darating yung point dito na yung kinikita nyo, kaya nyo talagang mag-share sa maraming tao. Marami po kayong mabe-bless dito sa LiveGood. Okay? Now, there would be people na sasabihin sa iyo, I don't want to do the business, I don't want to refer people. Humingi na lang kayo ng pabor. Sabihin mo, okay, pero magpasok ka ng 2 family member mo. Put them directly under you. Why? Because this is what will happen to them. Mapopromote siya sa bronze. Yung matrix income niya aabot ng $4,095. Tapos yung 2 family member niya, since wala namang gagawin yan, aabot ng $2,047.50 each. Yung kanilang matrix. Magkano yun? Times 2, $4,095. Plus, may 50% ka on them kasi direct mo sila. That's $2,047.50. Pag tinotal mo yan, naabot ng $10,238 yung kanyang monthly income. So, instead of just earning $2,047.50, kung siya lang yung sasali, by making him or her, ipasok yung 2 member ng family niya, aabot ng $10,000. Aabot ng kalahating milyon yung kanyang kikitain sa LiveGood instead of just 100,000 peso monthly. Diba? Talagang pasasalamatan ka ng kaibigan mo by doing so. Alright. And then, eto may vision tayo. Actually, we have a very big vision here in our group, Dream Maker Worldwide. Kasi nga tayo, talagang we want to make dreams come true. Ang vision natin dito, 100 solid direct referral. What do you mean by solid direct? If you want to become Crown Diamond, then lahat yung mga direct na refer mo, all 100 of them wants to become Crown Diamond as well. So time will come, you'll all be diamonds. And in your matrix, you'll be earning 16,383.50. Since 100 yung direct mo dyan, you'll be getting 50%. That 8,191.75. 100 sila. That's $819,175 monthly income. Magkano po yan in peso? That's 45 million peso monthly income. At this point po, talagang hindi lang yung dreams ng family nyo yung matutupad nyo. Ang dami nyo ng foundation na matutulungan. Yung church nyo talagang ang laki na ng binibigay nyong tithes. Even your community, kaya nyo na po talagang palakihin. And just imagine, yung 100 direct mo, all their lives has changed because of you. Lahat yung, all their lives, their family lives, lahat nagbago dahil sa'yo. At talagang pasasalamatan ka ng husto dyan. Alright? Now, it is important for us to rank up. That's what I'm telling you in this presentation. Why? Kasi po, if you rank up, Live Good compensates more those who do the business. Okay? Kaya talagang continuously rank up. Now, to rank up, all you need to do, ang key lang talaga to rank up is to have direct referrals, as many as you can. Pero let me show you a simple way. Kanina pinakita ko on how to fill up your matrix the fast way. This time, I'll show you how to rank up the simple way. Instead of just getting 2, you get 3. Bakit? Kasi yung mga qualifiers sa mga pag-rank up, di ba parating 3 legs? Kailangan yung 3 legs mo silver para maging gold ka. Kailangan yung 3 legs mo gold para maging platinum ka. Kailangan yung 3 legs mo platinum para maging diamond ka. Di ba? So get 3 and then teach them to get 3 and then do this monthly. Okay? And if you can repeat, then mas maganda. Okay, this is what will happen to your organization. Una, ikaw pa lang. And then you'll get 3. And then yung 3 kinuha mo, tuturuan mong kumuha ng 3. So magdadagdag ng 9. And then 27. And then 81. Mind you, ang nagtuturo na po dyan yung mga kumukuha sa kanila. So less effort na for you. But if this happens to your organization weekly, on the 7th week pa lang po, diamond ka na kasi umaabot na ng 3,279 members in your organization. And requirement lang to become diamond is 2,500 members. Diba? On the 10th month, 10th week, crown diamond ka na. Okay? On the 11th week, umaapaw na po yung matrix nyo. Ang dami-dami nyo ng taong na-bless. Okay? O sige, huwag natin gawing weekly, gawin nating monthly. Hindi pa po ba, mahabang hintayan ba yung 1 taon? Hindi po. For you to be earning yung mga pinakita kong income kanina. Ganyan po kaganda, ganyan ka-generous yung compensation plan natin. Kaya, share Live Good to as many people as you can. Share your blessings to many people. And you would receive wonders talaga. Okay? Hindi pa tayo tapos kasi meron pa tayong diamond bonus pool. Kaya gusto ko kayo mag-rank up for you to reach diamond. Kasi as diamond, you get to have profit sharing na. Kasi what Live Good would do, i-collate niya lahat yung kinita niya from subscription, from products, from affiliate membership. Lahat yun, isa-sum up niya. Tapos kukurot siya ng 2%. And then yung 2% na yun, paghahati-hatian niya sa lahat na naging diamond na on that specific pay period. Okay? Yan ang diamond bonus pool na yan, 2% lang yan. Pero let's say for example na lang. For example na lang, ang kinita ng company, yung total na kinita ng company worldwide is 10 million. Ano yung 2%? That's $200,000. Divided by let's say 70 people. Ang laki pa rin po nung pinaghahati-hatian nila. In fact, dito po, kayang umaverage ng 6,000, anywhere from 5,000 to 6,000 to 7,000 monthly yung mga diamond bonus pool. Alright? Kaya yan yung ambisyon ninyo. Huwag yung ambisyonin na maghintay na lang at mapuno yung matrix nyo. Mag-rank up kayo, become a diamond, and enjoy profit sharing. And don't stop there. Become Crown Diamond. Kasi si Crown Diamond, bukod dun sa share niya, dito sa 2% na to, meron pa siyang additional na 0.5%. Ngayon po, dadalawa lang ang ating Crown Diamond. Again, balik natin yung example. 10 million yung kinita ng company. Ano yung 0.5%? $50,000. Magkano po yan pag pinaghatian ng dalawang tao? $25,000 each of them. Ganyan po kalaki. Ganyan ka-generous si Live Good. In fact, Live Good is giving away 85% of their income to their affiliates as compensation. Talagang iniba na po ni Live Good yung industriya natin. Binago na po ng todo ni Live Good yung industriya natin. Kaya nga po, umaabot na tayo ng 850,000 members in as short as 11 months. And if you're not a member yet, become a member now. Become a member now. Why? Kasi enjoy the benefits as early as you can. But if you're not convinced yet, let me show you this. Top 4 reasons to join. Number 1, we've just officially launched. Baby pa po si Live Good. We're not even on the pioneering stage. We're still on the pillar stage. Meaning foundation pa lang po yung tinatayo ni Live Good. And when you position yourself inside Live Good right now, lahat po ng benefit, kayo yung unang makakatanggap. Just like us. Okay? Number 2, high quality and very affordable health products. Dito po kakayanin nyo ng magpaka-healthy because of the prices and the high quality of our products. Number 3, marketing system tools and training. Dito po, this is one of the tools that you can actually abuse. All you need to do is invite, don't explain. Leave the explanation to us. Kami na po magpe-present dun sa inyong invites. Kami na magko-close. Pero yung account sa inyo. Other than this, we have weekly training, both local and international. We have trainings for products every Monday. We have trainings for network marketing every Wednesday. We have rank recognition and training every Friday. Ang dami po. And even yung mga diamonds, they're openly sharing what they know, what they did. Doon pa lang po, maghanap lang kayo sa YouTube, ang dami nyo po makukuhang tulong. Pinadali na po yung paggawa ng negosyo dito sa Live Good. Okay, a very simple, powerful, lucrative, and very generous pay plan. Be part of Live Good, become an affiliate, and enjoy all these benefits. And when you start enjoying all these benefits, share your blessings to as many as you can. Now, kung hindi pa po kayo member, mag-member na po kayo today. Okay? And when you're already a member, don't let go of your membership. Continuously pay your subscription. Ganun po ka-importante yung mag-stick as member dito. Ang laki po ng mawawala sa inyo. Don't look at the now, look at the future. Kasi nga sinabi ko, pillar stage pa lang tayo eh. Yung 850,000 members, napakaliit po niyan compared dun sa future na nakikita natin sa Live Good. Kasi sa Live Good, aabot po tayo ng 200 million members, 500 million members. Bakit? Kasi we are a membership club that pays. Kaya yung mga bumibitaw, sorry to say, kayo po ang nawalan, hindi po si Live Good. Ang laki po ng nawawala sa inyo. Ang laki po ng pinakakawalan nyo if you let go of Live Good. So you make sure that you pay your subscription monthly. Or better yet, pay the whole year. Nakatipid ka pa ng 2 buwan. However, the decision is still up to you. Okay? Pwede pong, you can actually choose A, B, or C. A, I'm in. Gustong-gusto ko nang sumali. 3,000. What's 3,000? I'll pay that. What's 995 or 580 monthly? I'll continue to pay that subscription. I'm in. Kung ako po pagde-decide, I'm in. Ang pipiliin ko. Kaya nga ako dito ngayon eh. Okay? Or pwede rin naman, you just want to shop at member's price. Be a member. Pay for the $995 monthly subscription and enjoy the high quality product at a very low price. Or pwede rin ayaw nyo talaga. You say no thanks. But if you want to use the product, pwede pa rin po. You just buy the products at retail. Balik po kayo sa sponsor niya. As a sponsor, doon sa nag-invite sa inyo, hingin nyo po yung shop link niya so that you can order the products there. Okay? Pero again, yung decision po, nasa sa inyo yan. But let me help you make the right decision. Why? Because our lives Our life is full of making decision making yan eh. Some of our decisions worsen our future, yung iba naman pinapaganda. Okay? So let me help you make your decision. Kasi baka ikaw to ngayon eh. Because of the past decision you made, ngayon overwork ka, underpaid, and you're financially unsecured. Or baka well-paid ka naman pero wala kang time sa family mo. Or pwede ring OFW ka, nangungulila ka sa family mo ngayon. Now, question is what awaits you when you retire? Diba? Yung time na talagang wala ka ng source of income. Dito po kasi sa Live Good, tuloy lang ang pagkita dito. Now, that can be you today, but you can change all of that. You can actually change all of that. Make the right decision, do Live Good, and you can change all of that. Bakit? Just imagine, if you do Live Good today, where will you be in the coming years? Actually, hindi years yan eh. Months pa lang yung binibilang ng iba, pero na-reach na nila tong mga papakita ko sa inyo. You will have more income than bills at the end of each month. Yes, kayang-kaya. Hindi na po kayo matatakot sa due date tsaka sa June na. Hindi na kayo matatakot doon. In fact, you can actually pay your bills ahead of time. Ako po ganun eh. I set a day kung kailan ko babayaran yung bills ko and then I pay all of them kahit sa end of the month pa yung due nung iba. In fact, yung iba next month pa due eh. Binabayaran ko na. Alright? You can have more time spent with your family and friends, which is very important. Kasi yan time po, yan yung commodity na hindi na natin mababalik. If we spend all our time earning money, providing for your family, kahit wala ka, malayo ka sa family mo, you're wasting time. However, if you do Live Good business, the home-based business, you'll be with your family 24/7, you'll be happy. And that's the time they want from you. You are not wasting time, but you're spending time wisely. Okay, you'll have more time to spend with your family and friends. You'll have freedom to work when, where, and with whom you choose. Ang tanungan nga dito, where do you want to work today? Sa Japan? Tara, let's go to Japan, have ramen, and do our live webinar there. Ganun po. Darating yung point. I'm telling you, I'm not saying that this is going to happen overnight, pero darating po yung point in time na talagang mai-enjoy niyo lahat ng mga benefits na pinag-iisa-isa ko. And then you would have a life without debt. Napakasarap po ng buhay na walang utang. And I'm telling you, when you're debt-free, you'll be giving more. Mas marami kayong mabe-bless na tao. You can take vacation as often as you like. And yes, you can do that because your business is online. Not only you can have 1-year vacation. Actually, isa yan sa mga nasa dream board ko. 1-year vacation. Yet money is coming in. Yun yung ganda ng passive income. Kahit nasa bakasyon ka, kumikita ka. And ang maganda nito, when you do Live Good, lahat po yung sinabi ko, yung inisa-isa ko, pwedeng mangyari sa buhay nyo. The decision is yours. Whether you would do Live Good or you would say no thanks. But if I were you, I would choose letter A and tell the person who invited you, I am in. Register me today. Because Live Good is the vehicle that can change your life for the better. So start changing your life for the better. Make the right decision today. Choose to do Live Good. And for all of you who are already affiliates listening to me right now, rank up, share Live Good to as many, and become financially free. Have the time freedom you have been longing for. All right? So that's the end of my presentation. But before I do...